I challenge you to compete in this simulated investing tournament to win some serious money. I hope you'll join us. I'll be coaching you every step of the way.
The other thing I wanted to talk about is Xi and Biden. So there's getting a lot of attention now. I mean, we were kind of early on this, but now everybody's talking about it because it's going to come tonight. It's a virtual meeting. It should last about 3 hours or so. So it's a fairly long virtual meeting between Xi and Biden. A lot of speculation on what they're going to say. No one really knows. But one thing they will talk about is Taiwan. So we'll see what happens. I mean, I think expectations are low on any kind of material development coming out of the meeting, but you never know. So,
and Phil, just one more word on the summit. Well, Felix was on it. He's right. You know, they're not going to bring up the hot topics like Taiwan, North Korea, Uyghurs, some of these things that have caused a lot of irritation between the two countries over the years. But a couple of folks over the weekend have weighed in and said, look, their expectations should be lowered for this. What they hope for at best is a resumption in a dialogue between the two countries. That is pretty much hasn't existed for a number of years. Just want to get things back on track. Likely talk about the one thing that Biden may press Xi on is they're still 200 to 250 billion short, I think is the number in phase one trade purchases. And then Xi may hit us on the 350 billion in existing tariffs on Chinese products. So it would come up. Felix is right again. It's not going to be contentious. It looks to get things back on track, maybe establish a framework for a dialogue moving forward. There is a bilateral trade working group that has been working behind the scenes on a couple of trade fronts. There was some speculation that could come out of the summit. I think that we'll wait for these two to meet in person, possibly in 2022.
Hey, JT, just a question for you. Do you know if any of their lieutenants will also be at the meeting, or is it just going to be the two head people?
I think it'll be between the two of them. As I understand it, Tai will be on the U.S. Trade Rep. Catherine Tai will be there, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Is Leo Ha, who is someone that we mentioned over the past 4 or 5 years as the vice chairman. And sort of the spearheaded a lot of the trade issues for the Chinese. So he's likely to be, and I say this in air quotes, in the room or on the video, or at least in the background. So I do believe some of the lieutenants will be there standing by. But again, nothing. I misspoke when I said North Korea. North Korea, Iran. And they mentioned one other issue over the weekend may come up because those are the areas of agreement right now on sort of a geopolitical side of things. So they're going to again avoid the hot topic stuff, and I suspect they'll table that for a face-to-face summit in 2022 if that ever takes place.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.
Hedgeye's Cyber Monday sale is here. This is the best deal we offer anytime on our investment research. Since 2008, Hedgeye's 40-plus analyst team has helped investors big and small navigate volatile financial markets. Now, let Hedgeye help you. Our special Cyber Monday sale features steep discounts on all of our industry-leading investment research. Explore our range of products that can suit your specific research needs. Don't miss Cyber Monday at Hedgeye.